Today, we will discuss a fascinating topic in linguistics: form and meaning. To begin, let's define these two essential concepts. Form refers to the structure or shape of linguistic units. This includes sounds, words, and sentences. In simple terms, form is what you see or hear in language. On the other hand, meaning is the concept or idea that a linguistic form conveys. Meaning is what you understand or interpret when you hear or read something. Now let's break this down with a few examples. Imagine the word tree. The form of this word consists of the sounds t, r, and, or the written letters t, r, e. But the meaning of the word tree is the mental image or idea of a tall plant with branches and leaves. It's important to note that the relationship between form and meaning is often arbitrary. This means there is no inherent connection between the sounds of the word, tree, and the concept it represents. For instance, in French, the same concept is called arbre, which has a completely different form. Now let's move to the levels of language where form and meaning operate. At the phonological level, form refers to the sounds of a language. For example, the word cat has three distinct sounds, k, and t. The meaning at this level is minimal, as the focus is primarily on sound patterns. At the morphological level, form involves the structure of words. Consider the word unhappiness. It consists of three parts: the prefix un, the root happy, and the suffix ness. The form here reflects how these parts are combined. The meaning, however, arises from how these parts interact. Unhappiness conveys the state of not being happy. At the syntactic level, form refers to the arrangement of words in a sentence. For instance, the sentence "the cat chased the mouse" has a specific form: subject, verb, and object. Its meaning is the idea that a cat is pursuing a mouse. Rearranging the words, like saying "the mouse chased the cat," changes both the form and the meaning. Finally, at the semantic level, we focus entirely on meaning. Semantics studies how words, phrases, and sentences convey ideas and emotions. Now let's address a critical point. Can form exist without meaning? The answer is yes. Some linguistic forms can exist without any inherent meaning. For instance, nonsense words like blorp or snarf have form but no specific meaning, until we assign one. Similarly, meaning can sometimes exist without a clear form. Think of abstract emotions like love or sadness. These are deeply meaningful, but it can be challenging to express them fully through words. In conclusion, the study of form and meaning is fundamental to understanding how language works. While form provides the structure, meaning gives language its purpose. Together, they create the intricate system we use to communicate every day.